Hello friends, welcome to the session. I am Malka. Let's discuss the given question. The heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the results are as follows. 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 130, 143 and 141. Now what is the height of the tallest girl? Second, what is the height of the shortest girl? What is the range of the data? What is the mean height of the girls? And how many girls have heights more than the mean height? Let's begin with the solution. Our first part is, what is the height of the tallest girl? Now, after observing the given data, we find that 151 centimeter is the height of the tallest girl. Therefore, we can say that 151 centimeter. Now, our part second is, what is the height of the shortest girl? Now, again after observing the data, we find that 128 is the height of the shortest girl. Therefore, we can say that 128 centimeter is the height of the shortest girl. Now, our part third, that is, what is the range of the data? Now, as we all know that range is equal to tallest girl minus shortest girl. And we have already calculated in our part first, the tallest girl is 151 centimeter and the shortest girl is 128 centimeter. Now range is equal to difference of 151 and 128. So this is equal to 23 centimeter. Therefore we can say that range is 23 centimeter. Hope you understood it. Now let's see the next part. That is, what is the mean height of the girls? Mean is equal to sum of the heights of the girl divided by total number of girls. Therefore, we can say that mean is equal to, now we will write the sum of the heights, that is, heights are given in the above data, which is 135 plus 150 plus 139 plus 128 plus 151 plus 132 plus 146 plus 149 plus 143 plus 141 divided by total number of girls, that are 10. Therefore, mean is equal to, now sum of the heights is 1414 divided by 10. This is equal to 141.4 centimeters. Therefore, we can say that mean height of girls is 141.4 centimeter. Hope you understood it. Now let's see the next part. That is, how many girls have heights more than the mean height? Now, as we know that our mean height is 141.4 centimeter. Now, from the given data, we will find out how many girls have heights more than 141.4. That is 150, 151, 146, 149 and 143. Therefore, we can say that 5 girls have heights more than the mean height. Therefore, 5 girls have heights more than the mean height. Therefore, 5 is the answer. Hope you understood the solution and enjoyed the session. Goodbye and take care.